Here's another update on my 81 C20 that I'm redoing. I got the cab off because I said in the last video that I was going to convert it to a K20, and this is how far I am now. I got the front axle in. It's got 411 gears, and it actually is the axle that matches the rear 14-bolt floater. I got the Turbo 400 and the 203 transfer case in from the parts trucks with both drive shafts installed now. Got all the transmission lines hooked up and the modulator. Still got to run new brake lines because one of them twisted off in the front, and I think on the four-wheel drives they mount them back further. And then I got to replace the line that runs to the rear brakes because that one actually rusted out last summer. So them will be the next things I do, besides for trying to refit my exhaust back up in there. I don't know how that's going to work with the 4x4 now. My Y pipe that I made when it was two-wheel drive might not even work anymore, and I know the tailpipe, as you can see, I got it held up with a jack stand, but I think it's might be an issue with hitting the cross member now. Might be able to modify everything to make it fit, so hopefully I'm gonna try getting that done before I put the cab back on. And I also got a snow plow to put on it eventually. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.